Welcome to Love Lines. Boxing na tayo ng ating basta unboxing na tayo. Let's go. Let's go. Ay, naka-carton. Alright, alisin ko muna yan. Kailangan ko ng panggupit. Kailangan ng panggupit. Pwede na siguro itong sa nail cutter. Patong natin yan para masaya. Malambot. Ito yung... Teka lang, wag na nga lang. Diyan na nga lang yan. Oops! Ay! Akala ko bar. Ano pala siya? Look. Cream. Buy one, ano yun? Buy one, take two? Buy one, take two. May libre. Wow. Ang ganda naman. May model, nakikita. Yan. Kita. Mamaya natin gamitin. Instant whitening with natural ingredients. Instant whitening with natural ingredients. Authoritative certification. Tender water, smooth, not content. 100 grams. O yan, 100 grams. Naka-video ka. 100 grams. From Japan to leaves skin white and smooth. Yun. Sa katawan ba to? Kahit saan siguro pwede. Try ko na ngayon. Using natural lavatory vitamin VC ingredients can quickly lighten the skin, fade melanin, and have a good whitening effect on natural blackness and repair after sunburn. Specially added milk protein ingredients can whiten and moisturize the skin, moisturize and brighten and enhance its elasticity and luster, makes the skin silky, smooth, fair and shiny like milk. Many ingredients. Ayan. Apply appropriate amount to the whole body in a circular motion. Evenly apply to the areas that need whitening. Gently massage until absorbed. Long-term use is better. 100 grams. Okay. Expiry 2026. So, ayan. Teka muna. Baliktarin ko na yung camera. Ite-testing ko na to. Ite-testing na natin. Let's try. Yun. LEADR. Left turn VC milk body cream. Body cream. Oh. Yan na natin. Yan na natin ang kulay. Open. Ay, ang tigas. Tigas. Madali lang. Open na. Lagay daw ng generous amount. May puputo. Oh my. Ayun. Creamy. Tama na muna. Ganitong pagha. Sarado na. Alisin na. Alisin ang sing-sing. Gawin natin ang difference. Para may comparison lang. Instant whitens. Parang yung sa anong yun. Ayan. Lagyan natin para mayroong comparison. Baliktad pala. Dapat itong isa, merong color, yung isa wala. Ayan, ganyan. nagkamali ako. Ayan, ang kaputol. Ang kaputol, ganyan. Milk. Ay, sarap. Ang puti niya sa malapit. Ano ba yan? Puti na lang po. Ayan, mabango. Mabango, mabango. Yung kalahati, inilagyan ko. Kalahati. Itong kaputol, obvious. Hanggang matuyo. Patutuyuin ko. Hindi na tuloy nagkaan, pero portion meron, portion wala. So, itong kaputol nilagyan ko ng pampaputi. Kasi, ang puti. Ang puti. Parang mumuulang. Parang mumuulang sa puti. Ano yun? See the difference. May pagbaba, may kakaiba ba? Ito, yun yung nilagyan ko nito. Yan. And then, ito yung wala. Can you notice the difference? Kita ba? Makita? So, that's it. Yan ang difference. Alright, that's all. Thank you for watching. Have a good day and God bless. Don't forget, God loves you. You're God's beautiful creation. See you in the next. So that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching. Once again, this is Love Lines. Have a good day and God bless.